Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden sofa designs, wooden chair designs, beautiful ideas, new designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I'm back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden sofa designs, wooden chairs with matching table designs, stylish designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is beautiful and trendy. Every design is different one another. Top 50 designer ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. Every design is beautiful. Unique color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. You can decorate your room, your lounge with beautiful and trendy sofa and stylish chairs. Wooden work designs and ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wood, about wooden furniture, wooden projects, ceiling ideas, stylish door designs and ideas you can see in this my channel. Top 50 designs and ideas you can see. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the wooden? How was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden sofa designs, wooden chairs, beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.